there, there's been a few concerns, specifically in Cape Town, about relining. Every time we send a batch of epoxy to Cape Town or across border, before it leaves this plant, we have a quality control packet. This packet symbolizes the love and care that was put into this batch. We take this seriously. I'm not clever enough to invent anything. I'm just merely standing on the shoulders of giants. There's an ISO standard that says we have to keep all sorts of samples. When you guys are installing pipes, if you're doing a geyser to 0254, or you're installing a pipe in a drain and you've got a 1 in 64, surely you should reline to a standard. We've put a lot of love. I actually found the original batch from 2014. It's batch number 27114. This is it. It looks a bit old and ugly, and our labeling has changed, but we've got the original batch that we made in 2014 when we started with this. We've got structural, there's a part A and there's a part B. I want to go to Providence now, and we'll make another quick video. I just want to interview the lady that does the quality control. This woman is gold. She's so precious to us because of the quality control. We're going to make another video and we'll go into her office and she can tell you exactly how she does the quality control.